Voice Command Basics. Voice commands are a convenient way to operate many of the systems in your Lexus. Pressing the talk switch for the first time will bring up a notification with options to begin voice recognition training. Choosing "Do not tell me again" will dismiss the message indefinitely. Choosing OK will continue with voice recognition. You'll also hear a beep that prompts you to speak a command from the on-screen menu. The microphone active icon will notify you when the system is listening. Speak normally and without pauses while the microphone icon is lit on the screen. With the voice command feature, you can operate your compatible Bluetooth-paired phone, dial 310-468-4000.
I heard 310-468-4000. If this is correct, say call. If this is not correct, you can add or delete digits or start over.
Call.
Calling 310-468-4000.
Access the available navigation system. Get directions to a point of interest.
Which point of interest category would you like to find nearby?
Parks.
Showing parks and beaches. Select the one you want by name or number. Say next page for more items.
Number 3.
To navigate to this point of interest, say go there, or you can say call them or mark location.
Go there.
Navigating to Descanso Park.
Use the available Lexus Inform App Suite 2.0. Go to Apps.
Here are some command examples for applications. What would you like to do?
Launch fuel.
Launching fuel.
Find nearby station.
Listing nearby stations. Say the list number of the one you want. Say next page for more items.
Number 4.
Showing the details for Shell. You can say call or go there.
Go there.
Launching navigation.
Listen to the audio system. Change audio source to FM.
Tuning to 87.9 FM. If you would like, you can say change the station or something like tune to 100.1.
Access the information menu. Get the forecast for Dallas, Texas.
The forecast for today in Dallas, Texas is partly cloudy with a high of 90 and a low of 69.
And operate climate control. Show the front seat screen.
Showing front seat screen. Please use manual controls.
Once you're familiar with voice command operations, you can customize the voice settings. Select Menu. Then select Setup. Then Voice. From the voice settings screen, you can adjust the voice volume, adjust the voice recognition prompts, and a variety of other features. To make the adjustment, select the feature to open it. Then make your changes. Once you've made your selection, select the feature again to close it. Press the back arrow button to return to the previous screen. You can always press the talk switch and say, "Help."
To use this speech recognition system, press the push-to-talk button on your steering wheel and say a command that is natural. Here are some things you can do with this system. Get directions to an address. Find points of interest like restaurants and movie theaters. Play your music.
To shorten the time for the beep, turn off the voice recognition prompts by selecting Menu. Setup. Voice. And then select Voice Recognition Prompts to open it. Then, set the voice recognition prompts to off. Once you've made your selection, select the feature again to close it. Your system will automatically save your settings. When using voice command, remember, for best results, make sure that your windows are up to reduce background noise. You may also need to reduce your climate control's fan speed from high, as the microphone can pick it up. When speaking, speak normally and without pauses. Pronounce numbers as single digits. In the case of a 0, say 0, not O. And use trained voice recognition to help the voice command system to adapt to your voice.